It's so cute, these little kids. Hi. Wherever you go, there is a dove. So the kids are really enjoying the water with their families. It's nice to see everybody here. It's alive. This city is full of life. So anywhere, people are so happy to see this. To see what's going on the other side. So is this their parliament? Now this is where we go to Bahnhof. So I know I have to go eat something, grab a food. So I can go to Bahnhof. So it's a nice. Let's see what's going on here. I'm totally amazed. A lot of people here sitting down with this big, huge. Let's see. I think this is like that's where I have been. This is all tourists. I think they got just like they get tired. See, there should be a castle here. So who's this famous John Gensflies? The Gutenberg. Oh, he won the patents. Good. So you can sit down here, have a coffee, or eat something. But I don't feel I should grab something, a salad. Johannes Gensflies some Gutenberg. 1837. Wow. Do you see who's that? Who's that guy? It's a historical. And they have their dance congress. It's their congress hall over here. So you can see. It's totally amazing. What's going on here? I think that's it that we see this. So I have to. It's a nice one, huh? Let me walk down what's going on here. You can eat an ice cream here, a snaps, everything. Their Italian ice, 160. Have to eat an Italian ice. Their Congress Hall. So people, look, this is Germany. Look how you enjoy. You don't have already to worry about COVID-19. There's no more COVID-19. So, enough guys, the bus.